Hey, welcome one and all, boys and girls of all ages. And here is the latest on this Weil-McLain SGO 4. As for those of you who've been following at home, the saga of the door is come to an end. They shipped it overnight. It arrived, and they took the remains of the old boiler away. The one issue was that they didn't include the mounting hardware, so we had to run out to Ace Hardware and grab, that's not quite the official, it should be a flathead, but that'll work. And then the stud for the door, they just didn't include the hardware, par for the course. So we've got our full port purge valve there, the cap. That is the Hydrolevel 450 low water cut off. Probe. There's the junction box with the wires ready to be hooked up. This boiler is holding water. We're going to leave it overnight. We've got our street 1/4 inch brass 90 and our drain valve. I'm going to put a hose on here. Run it to the bucket there. We repositioned the gas valve to allow for better access for the electric line and a little shorter run on the gas line. A little concern sometimes on these older homes that the gas line might not be passing all due to rust sticking in the lines. We'll find out what the pressure drop is when we go to fire this thing up. So this is a basic oil-fired design with a gas burner because we believe that that this will provide better efficiency over the long haul in its life cycle, of the expected life cycle of 30 years. And another shot of the repositioned gas line there. Remember, it was over there. Now we've got it here. And got the VXT hooked up. Got it canted at a slight angle so it's a little easier to read. We've got the shut-off valve to it. I tested it back in June and it looked okay. This is the thick disc type rotation, and but it wasn't necessary to rotate it, but there it is. We got that rolling there. Let's see, where's the focus? Come on, focus. Not focusing for me. Son of a biscuit. Right, so let's see if we can try the other side. What the heck? Come on, people. There we go. There we go. Right, so we don't have the low water cutoff hooked up yet. I'm going to tie that in tomorrow. I've got the isolation valve, so the, gosh. Yeah, there we are. So we got the isolation valve, which should hold the water, and leave it overnight to find any leaks. We've got the relief valve here on this T, which we can remove the plug to clear out any dirt. And we'll put the drip on tomorrow. Usually Weil-McLain likes to use these straight pigtails, but they have them come out straight out from the boiler. These tend to clog. Dirt tends to fill this area and incapacitate the pressure control limit. So we use these, what they call a 270, and we got our male T and brass, so that if you want to check it, you just remove the gauge from the T and blow. And we hope that that is less likely to clog. The pressure control comes set at 9 pounds or whatever to steam crabs. It's up to the installer to lower it to its lowest possible pressure. So I think that'll do it for now. We should, of course, I got to do this flue. Got a pretty big hole to fill there. And of course, we're going to put a barometric with a gas barometric double swing with a block flue switch on there on the. I again apologize for this focus. I don't know. Well, anyway, thank you very much, and I'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe.